Today I'm going to show you a wig in a petite cap. This is Jon Renau Mariska Petite. It's a fully hand-tied cap. This one does come in an average cap as well, so one of the rare major name brand synthetics that has some cap size choices, and we're going to talk all about this wig coming up. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook, and I'm partnering with Name Brand Wigs to bring you this review. They sent me Mariska Petite so that I could show you this gorgeous style, talk about this beautiful color, which is Shaded Praline. I think one of, if not the most popular color Jon Renau carries, and give you the lowdown on this petite Name Brand Wigs is a wonderful online retailer. I am very honored to be partnering with them on all of these reviews by the major name brands. I have loved them since I first started wearing wigs in 2018 and just love everything about what they are doing for this wig wearing community. Their customer service is fantastic, and they are absolutely here obviously to sell you wigs, but also to help you, which is why they partner on so many reviews, because it really gives good information to the wig wearing community. I'll put some details below, as well as a coupon code that will save you money on any Jon Renau wig, and actually most of the brands that they carry. Let's take a look at this one from all sides. Now, we will talk about color at the end, and I've time-stamped all of the major segments of this video, so if you're only here for color, you can find the timestamp below and then skip right ahead to that section. Let me untuck. I always, almost absolutely subconsciously, I don't even think about it, I tuck short wigs behind my ears, so I wanted you to know that there is some length here. So if you're not an ear tucker and you like a little bit of hair hugging your face, this one absolutely has that. We have a gorgeous lace front on this one. Let me pull it up so you can see right there. And then this whole top is monofilament, so you could part this anywhere you want. If you wanted to go right over to the left, you can absolutely play around with her and get her to lay however you want. That is the beauty of a hand-tied cap, or a full monofilament, I should say, on the top. That's all hand-tied, and it really gives you a lot of flexibility. So we have all of this parting space. There's the lace front that goes temple to temple. We've got soft ear tabs with bendable stays. We've got an extended nape with Velcro adjusters, and every bit of this cap is hand-tied. No closed wefting in the back like some hand-tied caps can have. 100% hand-tied. And the reason why that is so preferable for many is because of how lightweight a hand-tied cap is. Wefts can add some thickness to a cap and a little bit of weight. This feels like absolutely nothing to me. It weighs 1.7 ounces. Might just be the lightest wig I have ever had in my hand and on my head. Super lightweight, very low density, no permatease, just beautiful, low profile, flat to the head, incredibly natural. If you can wear short hair and you are looking for something that nobody would ever guess in a million years, I'm just showing you how you can really smooth her out. And I mean, there's no bulk on this at all. When I touch here, I just touch down to head. Every now and then I can feel a seam. So for example, right here where the monofilament meets the cap, I can feel a seam. But all of this feels like absolutely nothing. Just my head. So for those of you who have struggled with wigs, you find them too heavy, you find them too thick, too uncomfortable, if you've never tried a fully hand-tied cap and you can afford it because these are premium, gosh, I really recommend you put one on your list. Maybe this isn't the right style for you. Jon Renau does carry a lot of different styles in hand-tied caps because truly there is nothing like it. I know some of you watching this have experience with hand-tied wigs. Just leave your impressions in the comments, good, bad, or indifferent. What can you share with your wig sisters who are watching this that might help them? please, please do. This one is made out of regular synthetic fibers, and I will say there is a little bit of a synthetic shine on this color. Sometimes in these videos, because I have so much light on me, wigs can look shiny that aren't really all that shiny, but this one definitely does have a shine to it. I have a video showing how to use baby powder to tamp down shine on a wig. Some people love to use dry shampoo. There are some things that you can do to tamp down shine on synthetic wigs, but just know that they can look shiny and not everyone cares. So you may not be bothered by the shine and someone else may be. So it's just information. It's really not a commentary on whether it's good or bad. And let's talk about fit. This is the petite cap. And like I said, Mariska comes in average and petite. Unfortunately, she doesn't come in a large cap, and I know some of you are looking for that. I'm hopeful that some of these companies will introduce larges in their hand-tied wigs. I'm not really sure if I've seen any, but if you're ever curious if a brand has a large size wig, you can email Name Brand Wigs, support@namebrandwigs.com, and they can give you a list of the wigs in that brand that come in a large cap. So just a little tip, that's why I love them. They can really help you with any information that you're looking for on these major name brands. But this one is a petite cap, and it fits me perfectly. Perfectly. I am so thrilled with the fit on this one. I am not getting any extra cap up here. So there's no bulking, no cone head. It just hugs my head beautifully. The circumference fits me great, and I actually have room to let it out. So you can see I have the adjusters in just a little bit. I have a 21¼ circumference. So this is going to fit someone with a smaller circumference for sure, but I can wear this with no wig grip, no glue, no anything. I can just throw her on, style her up the way I want to wear her, and I can walk out the door because it fits me so, so well. It is running a little short on me ear to ear. So the ear tabs are just a little high on me. They're up here. For the best coverage, I would like it down just a little bit further. But because this is a rooted blonde, I can show my bio hair, and I prefer to pull out my bio hair on the sides anyway, because I think it just helps the wig look so natural, especially when you're tucking. So for me, as long as it's a rooted blonde, a rooted red, or a brunette, then it's okay if my bio hair shows. If this happens on you, let's just say you want a petite cap, it fits you great everywhere, but you're not getting good coverage, you can either get a color that will allow you to give good coverage or allow your hair to blend, or you can use root touch-up powder and fill in your hair there to blend it better. I do that with reds that don't really have a root. I have a video showing how I use root touch-up powder to help me blend, even if my hair doesn't match the color, and I will make sure that's linked below. All right, I think I got it all. Let's talk about color. 12 FS8 Shaded Praline. This is one of Jon Renau's, if not the most popular color that they carry. And when I first started wearing wigs, I couldn't wear blondes. But when I finally felt like I was able to wear blondes, this color was one of the first rooted blondes that I could wear because it's got a beautiful root. That's the 8, which is a medium brown. And then we've got a gorgeous blend of kind of dark blonde, light brown, some pale gold blonde, some natural golden. I mean, just so much going on, but it's a ton of different colors blended. And the root really makes it wearable for me as a brunette. I would consider this a warm color. It isn't red. I don't really see strawberry, but it is more of a warm blonde. The kind of the light brown tones really help with that in warming it up without making it reddish or even really too golden. Very popular color. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside. That's always the best lighting for you to be able to see a color in. I would say that indoors here, the colors are going to look a little bit darker and a little bit warmer than they do in natural light. That is the case with color though. It doesn't always look the same. Lighting impacts it very much so on wigs for sure. But even on your bio hair, we just don't notice it. All right, thanks for watching. Thank you to Name Brand Wigs. Let me know if you have questions. I'm so happy to be your wig sister on this journey. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, here we go. This beautiful color on Mariska. I have been having so much fun with this wig. So I filmed my review yesterday and I've been playing with her. Oh, just love it. So fun. If you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, I have a feeling you're going to see this wig an awful lot. For my YouTube only friends, I'll try to remember to put some pictures on my community page when I share her, because I will be wearing this one. Love it. All right, hopefully you got the look that you needed. Thanks for watching. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.